Want to make money while you sleep? Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn passive income online, even if you're a complete beginner. In this video, we'll break down how affiliate marketing works, how to get started, and the best strategies to maximize your earnings. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-making tips. 1. Understand how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote products and earn commissions on each sale or lead. It's a win-win strategy because companies get new customers and affiliates earn passive income. You don't need to create a product, handle customer service, or manage inventory. Just focus on marketing. The process involves choosing a niche, joining affiliate programs, creating content, and driving traffic. Commissions range from 2% to over 50%. The best part? On setup, your content can generate income for months or even years on autopilot. Many affiliate marketers make $100, $10,000 plus per month without needing a full-time job. By choosing the right strategy, you can literally earn while you sleep with affiliate marketing. 2. Choose the right niche for maximum profits. A profitable niche is key to success in affiliate marketing. Choose a niche that is evergreen, has high demand, and offers good commission rates. Examples include personal finance, health and fitness, technology, software, and online education. Niches with high-ticket affiliate products allow you to earn $100, $1,000 per sale. Avoid markets that are too broad instead. Go for micro-niches like vegan meal planning or budget travel for digital nomads. Research competition using tools like Google Trends, Ubersuggest, and Ahrefs. Look for affiliate programs with long cookie durations, which increase your chances of earning commissions. A well-chosen niche ensures consistent traffic and high conversion rates over time. 3. Join the best affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are equal. Some offer higher commissions, longer cookie durations, and better tracking tools. Beginners can start with Amazon Associates, which covers millions of products but has low commission rates. High-paying programs include ShareASale, CG Affiliate, ClickBank, and Rakuten Marketing. Software-as-a-service programs like Shopify, Bluehost, and SEMrush offer recurring commissions, meaning you keep earning every month. Some brands, like Teachable and ConvertKit, pay affiliates up to 40% per sale. Look for programs that provide marketing materials, dedicated support, and conversion-optimized landing pages. Always read the terms and conditions to avoid violating program rules and losing commissions. 4. Build a website or blog for passive income. A website is the foundation of long-term affiliate success. Start by purchasing a domain name and hosting through platforms like Bluehost, SiteGround, or Namecheap. Use WordPress plus Elementor to design a professional-looking site. Focus on SEO-optimized blog posts, product reviews, and comparison articles to rank on Google. Write in-depth content that answers common questions, solves problems, and includes affiliate links naturally. Use keyword research tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Google Keyword Planner to target low-competition, high-intent keywords. Monetize with Google AdSense and Mediavine ads to earn extra income. A well-optimized website can attract thousands of visitors daily, leading to consistent affiliate sales. Over time, a single article can generate passive income for years. 5. Drive free traffic with SEO and content marketing. Search engine optimization helps your website rank higher on Google, bringing in free, organic traffic. Write blog posts targeting buyer intent keywords like best laptops for students or top fitness trackers under $100. Use on-page SEO techniques like keyword placement, internal linking, and structured headings. Build backlinks by guest posting on other websites and engaging in forum discussions. Optimize your site's loading speed and mobile friendliness to improve rankings. It takes time to see results, but once ranked, your articles generate passive income without paid ads. SEO-driven websites can make $100, $10,000 per month with affiliate commissions. 6. Leverage YouTube for affiliate marketing. YouTube is a powerful affiliate marketing tool because videos rank on both Google and YouTube search. Create product reviews, tutorials, and comparison videos with affiliate links in the description. No need to show your face. Use screen recording tools like OBS Studio or Camtasia for software reviews. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and thumbnails to increase click-through rates. Promote high-ticket affiliate products like digital courses, hosting services, and premium software to maximize earnings. YouTube's monetization includes AdSense, sponsorships, and membership programs, creating multiple revenue streams. Some affiliate marketers earn $10,000 plus per month just from YouTube commissions. 7. Use email marketing to increase conversions. An email list is a goldmine for affiliate marketers, allowing you to promote offers directly to your audience. Use lead magnets to encourage signups. Platforms like ConvertKit, MailChimp, and GetResponse automate email sequences. Send value-packed emails with tips, recommendations, and exclusive discounts. Segment your audience based on interest for higher engagement and conversions. Promote affiliate products strategically, 80% valuable content, 20% promotions to build trust. Email marketing helps increase sales without relying on Google or social media algorithms. Top email marketers generate six-figure incomes just from their subscriber lists. 8. Automate affiliate marketing with AI and chatbots. AI tools make affiliate marketing easier and more efficient than ever. Use ChatGPT, Jasper, and Writesonic to create SEO-friendly content, product descriptions, and email sequences. Chatbots like ManyChat and Tidio engage visitors and recommend products automatically. Set up social media automation using Buffer, Hootsuite, or Zapier to schedule posts. AI-powered analytics help track high-performing products and optimize conversions. With the right automation strategy, you can run an affiliate business with minimal daily effort. Many marketers earn $100, $500 per day using AI to scale their content and outreach. 9. Scale with paid ads and retargeting. Once you have a profitable affiliate offer, paid ads can scale your earnings faster than organic traffic. Use Facebook ads, Google ads, and YouTube ads to target high-converting audiences. Optimize ad copy and visuals to increase click-through rates and return on investment. Test different ad variations using split testing or bucket testing to find the most profitable approach. Paid traffic requires an initial investment, but once optimized, it can bring consistent $100 plus per day profits. 10. Diversify income streams for long-term success. Successful affiliate marketers don't rely on just one method, they diversify across blogs, YouTube, email, and social media. Create multiple income streams by promoting different affiliate products in various niches. Sell your own digital products, courses, or coaching services alongside affiliate marketing. Consider starting a membership site or subscription service for recurring revenue. Reinvest earnings into new content, paid ads, and outsourcing to scale faster. The key to long-term success is consistency, automation, and reinvestment. Many top affiliate marketers make 6 to 7 figures yearly by diversifying income sources. Are you ready to start your affiliate marketing journey? Let us know in the comments. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more ways to earn online. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.